made it from Lisbon down to southern Portugal, and we are currently in Albufeira, which is just east of Lagos, and we're hoping we picked the right spot, but so far it looks killer.
It looks like we're in a super great location right on the strip. It looks like there's some crazy nightlife, beautiful beaches, we have a pool, so I'm already so excited to go out and explore.
So I noticed online there isn't a ton of information about this area, so we can't wait to share our experience with you guys. We're just going to be letting you follow along with us as we check out Albufeira and show you guys around. Let's do it. Okay, so when booking our place here, there were a ton of options and most of them were pretty expensive. This place actually didn't have a great rating, and check out what we've got. We've got a kitchen, a dining room, a bathroom with a bidet if that's your sort of thing. We've got new appliances, and although the bedroom isn't overly attractive, it does the trick, and this place is quite large. Plus, did we mention the pool? So that's $160 for 7 nights. Yeah. Where are we going today?
We're gonna go to the beach. We just bought a big old floaty, we bought some paddles and a huge jug of sangria, so we're ready for the beach.
And some Subway. Hey. How's the water feel?
It's so cold.
This water is icy.
Oh my god, you guys, the water is so cold and the waves out here are pretty wild.
We're here at Bulldog, and I got some wings. Maya.
Shrimp pasta with cherry tomatoes. So this place was actually recommended to us by the bar over there because it's supposed to be the most popular and most well-known place here in Albufeira. So it looks pretty good. I'm not disappointed yet. This is the best Alfredo I've had in probably like 2 years. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it tastes kind of red lobstery, but in like a really delicious way. 10 years ago. You see what I mean?
So garlicky.
Good, huh? Every day.
Okay, so today we're about to go do something amazing. It's actually one of the most famous things in the area. It's the Benagil Caves, and you may have seen pictures of this on Instagram. Now, we lucked out. The last day of the season is today, so they're able to get us into this excursion. So we are extremely excited.
The caves are actually pretty far from where we're at, so we're gonna go to the marina and take a boat all the way to the caves, and then we'll swap into our kayaks. That way we can go like in and out throughout the caves.
Excited?
So excited. This looks so amazing, you guys. It's like, I'm checking something off my bucket list today. You ready?
I know it's freezing. I didn't want to say anything. I was trying to be cool. All right, so we just finished our excursion to the caves. What'd you think?
It was so much fun, and it was just a half a day, but I'm honestly like exhausted. My arms are exhausted. We got to go into a ton of different caves. We swam in the ocean even though it was freezing. It was just a lot of fun.
Yeah, we had a blast. It was well worth it. And now we need to go get some lunch, dinner. We're not even sure because we haven't eaten since this morning. We're here at Tacos and Burritos. And Maya's getting a, what are you getting?
Shrimp tacos.
Maya's getting tacos de camarón. And I'm getting some nachos with chicken and beans. We maybe are having a mojito and a beer. All right, guys, so the excursion surprise today is
Slide and Splash!
We love water parks and we are stoked to check out these slides.
This one looks awesome. There's so many different slides here and it's a pretty hot, warm day. I'm so ready to go.
So we bought this ticket from a local lady in town who was super nice, and it was 26 euros. Not bad. And then you can definitely cab it here, but it's gonna cost you at least 50 euros round trip. So we took the local regional train. Some of the trains are 12 euros, so make sure to take the regional one. It leaves about 10 minutes later and it's only 3 euros. All right, let's go get some slides. Oh my gosh, I love it here. All right, so today we decided to check out the old town here, and it has a completely different vibe, and the buildings are all like white, tons of restaurants, bars, shops.
I know, it's actually really, really lovely down here. I almost wish we stayed here instead of this trip.
Yeah, I agree. The buildings just go on forever, so you have tons of options, and the beach is just right there. Been eating baguettes all week, and I went with a baguette again. Maya got the paella, which she's wanting to try, and it's on special today.
Ooh, I'm so excited. I believe this is actually a traditional Spanish dish. Trying it in Portugal. It's really good. So I definitely think it's worth taking a visit here to Old Town. There's so many things to do and so many restaurants. It's just a super cute place to check out.
And Maya's got ice cream. I got beer. Let's go to the beach.
Alright guys, that's it for our trip to Albufeira. We're about to get on a bus and head over to Spain. So if you guys want to see more of that content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.
All right, thinking about coming to this area was awesome for us. It offered a little bit of everything. It really depends on what kind of traveler you are though. There are tons of different towns in southern Portugal. They offer more culture, more excursions, more beach. Each town kind of has its own vibe, but we really enjoyed this one because we thought we got a little bit of everything. So if you're only getting to hit one spot, we definitely suggest Albufeira. So we hope you enjoy your next trip to Portugal, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Jess and Maya.
At it again.